Let's say 6:15 p.m. and you're driving home alone, of course. After an unusually hard day on the job, you're really tired and frustrated with the traffic jams. What else will you do? You are really stressed and upset. Suddenly you start experiencing a severe pain in your chest and that starts to radiate out into your arm and into your jaw. You are only 5 miles from a hospital or nearest home. Unfortunately, you don't know if you will be able to make it for that nearest destination. What to do? You have been trained in CPR, but the guy that conducted the course didn't tell you how to perform it on yourself. CPR means count-to-mouth respiration. What do you do? How to survive a heart attack when alone? This is the most important part. This is the reason I am taken immediately. Since many people are alone when they are suffering heart attack without the help, the person whose heart is beating improperly and who begins to feel pain also has about 10 seconds left before losing consciousness. What to do? Answer. Do not panic but start coughing repeatedly and very vigorously. A deep breath should be taken before each cough. A cough must be deep and prolonged, as when producing sputum from deep inside the chest. A breath in the cough must be repeated about every 2 seconds, without let up until her help arrives or until the heart is felt to be beating normally again. Deep breaths get oxygen into the lungs and coughing movements squeeze the heart and keep the blood circulating. The squeezing pressure on the heart also helps it regain normal rhythm. In this way, the heart attack victims can go to the nearest hospital. What's the best position for sleeping? The best way to sleep is on your side, with your knees bent. You may put a pillow under your head to support your neck. You may also put a pillow between your knees. Proper sleeping position. That is what you sleep on can impact how comfortable you sleep. If adjusting your sleeping position doesn't help reduce pain, try adjusting your sleeping surface. Mattress firmness is an individual choice. It should not be too hard nor too soft. What can I do for relief when I hurt my lower back pain? Good. This is the best position. What I was telling in yesterday's lecture. If you sleep in this position, and if your mind is chattering all the time, and you are not getting a proper sleep in the night, sleep in this position. Your legs elevated. This will give a handbrake. Just as we give a handbrake to the car, this will give a brake to your brain, and it will stop your thought processes, and it will help you a lot. Next. What's the best position for standing? You must stand for long periods. Rest one foot on a low stool to relieve the pressure on your lower back. Every 5 to 15 minutes. Switch the foot you are resting on the stool. Maintain good posture. Keep your ears, shoulders, feet in a high straight line, with your head up and your stomach pulled in. This is the correct way to stand. So keep on changing after every 10 to 15 minutes. Then your back pain will not be there. What exercise can I do to strengthen my back? These are various exercises. Next. Preventing for back strain. Wear flat shoes or shoes with low heels, 1 inch or lower. Exercise regularly and active lifestyle contributes to lower back pain. Just look. This is a message for ladies. Please excuse me. Ladies have a habit of wearing high heels. For fashion, it is good. But later on, after fashion, when you get a back pain, no one is there to help you out. So please wear carefully and do it for the future. Next. What's the best position for sleeping? If you sleep on your back, put your pillows under your knees and a small pillow under your lower back. Don't sleep on your stomach and please you put a pillow under your hips. Next. The best way to sit. Head level, elbows at sides. This is the correct way to sit and use your computers. Next. What can I do for relief? Heating pads can help to relax painful muscle spasms. Use heat for 20 to 30 minutes at a time. Massages may also give relief. Lower back pain. Tips on the back, relief and pain prevention. What can cause lower back injuries? Muscle strains, spasms, ligaments which attach both joint problem discs, slip discs, The most common cause is causing your back muscles in activities you are not used to, like lifting heavy furniture or twisting your body. This is the wrong way to pick up the things which are kept on the ground. Slip disc is also herniated disc, helps when a disc between the bones of the spine bulges and presses on the nerves. This often causes when twisting while lifting. Next. Preventing the back strain. Push rather than you pull when you must move heavy objects. If you must sit at your desk for a long hours, break up the time which stops to stretch. Next. For your family doctor, if pain goes down your leg below the knee, your leg, foot, growing or rectal area feels down. You lose control over going to the bathroom. Your pain was caused by injury. Your pain is so intense you can move around. Your pain doesn't seem to be getting better after 2 to 3 days. Tips for preventing back strain. This is the right way, this is the wrong way. Don't lift by bending over. Lift an object by bending your knees and spreading while picking up the object. Keep your back straight and hold the object close to your body. Avoid twisting your body while lifting. The reason, the individual is picking up the object in this position, meaning whatever the weight is there, multiply by 8. That much weight is coming directly onto your hips, and that causes the problems of the back pain. This has clearly been written in the Alexander technique. I hope the book is now available. Alexander technique. In that they have written how to take care of your back. Even the sitting in the wrong way will also affect your sitting. This is the correct way of lifting, because the pressure is maintained in a proper way and you will feel right. Golden rules. Sit properly, stand properly, sleep properly. Regular back exercise. Take breaks periodically. That is, do not sit or stand for a longer duration. Use proper chair with lumbar support. Do not use high heel shoes. Consult your doctors if required. For back pain, take 2 bindis early in the morning. Bindi, okra. It is finger what we say. 2 in the morning, that will help you to eradicate your back pain. At the same time, the drumstick what we see, shinge what we say. Chew it, boil it, bring the soup of it and chew it properly. Your back pain will say bye-bye forever. About for 1 day, roughly. But the most important is how you are treating your physical body. Everything depends on that. You can take for 1 week also. You can take it for 1 month also, depending on the condition of your injury. It should be. Negative people do not find solutions and they enlarge problems. They prefer lamentation, gossip, pessimism. It's better to light a match than to regret the darkness. A bee is small, but produces one of the different things that exist. We are what we think. The negative thoughts generates the negative energy and that is transformed into illness. Mind body balance. If you don't want to be ill, who has relative pretends position always wants to give the impression of being well. He wants to be seen as perfect, easygoing, etc. But accumulating tons of weight, a bronze statue with a feet of clay, there is nothing worse for the health than to live on appearance and tickets. These are people with lots of varnish and little fruit. Their destiny is a pharmacy, a hospital, and pain. If you don't want to be ill, accept it. The refusal of acceptance and absence of self-esteem makes us alienate ourselves. Being at one with ourselves is the core of a healthy life. They who do not accept this become envious, jealous, imitators, ultra-competitive, destructive. Be accepted, accept that you accept it, accept that criticism is a wisdom both to science and therapy. Who does not trust, does not communicate, is not open, is not related, does not create deep and stable relations, does not know to prove friendship. Without confidence, there is no relationship. Distrust is a lack of faith in you and in faith itself. Good humor, laughter, adds happiness. This replenish the health and bring a long life. The happy person has a gift to improve the environment wherever they live. Good humor saves us from the hands of the doctor. Happiness is the health and therapy. So always remember, Doctor Sunlight, Doctor Water, Doctor Earth,